Hello everyone, I am Sonam from Pabbly team, and in this video I am going to tell you how you can automatically get Google Analytics reports on your WhatsApp number daily. So as we all know that how much the tracking of website is important, and whenever we want to track the website's traffic, we always have to first log into the Google Analytics first and keep checking the stats. But sometimes because of our busy schedule, we forget to track the traffic of the website. So today I have a very interesting automation for all of you. In this automation, you can actually send the analytics reports to yourself on your WhatsApp daily. Yes, every day you can receive the Google Analytics reports on your WhatsApp automatically. This way you do not have to log into the Google Analytics. You can actually keep track on the website's traffic directly from your phone. So I am going to do it with the help of an integration and automation software, Pabbly Connect. So just watch this video till end and you will be also able to set this automation for yourself. So let's start the process. So firstly, open your browser and type pabbly.com/connect and press enter, and you will reach to the landing page of our automation software. Now, if you are a user, you will have to first create your account. Don't worry, the account creation is absolutely free and you will also get 100 free tasks. In this 100 free tasks, you can test this automation for free, alright? Now click on access now and you will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Alright, from here, from this blue button, we are going to start creating our automation. Now you can give any random name to your workflow, okay, to your automation. Get analytics reports on WhatsApp daily. Now here I am mentioning daily, but it is not like that. You can actually get the reports on daily only. It is up to you. We have an option where we can actually choose that where exactly we want to receive these reports. For that, I am going to use scheduler by Pabbly, okay, schedule, and with the help of schedule, I can actually set to where exactly on which particular time I want to receive these reports. So at regular intervals, once every day, day of the week, dates of the month. Well, in this video, I am going to teach you how you can receive it daily. But in case you want to receive it on a specific date or time, you can actually set it. I want that every morning, every day at 11 a.m. the report should be received. That is why with the help of scheduler, I have done the settings. Now click on save and this first step is actually done. You can see the responses every day. How often you want to run your workflow? Every day. This is the time, this is the local time. Alright, now moving further, I am going to choose the application as Google Analytics because I want that every day the Google Analytics report should be created or run. So basically I am going to choose this run report action event, alright, because I want the report should be run and then it should be received on my WhatsApp. That is why this particular action event I have selected. Now if you are building up this connection, you will have to choose the add a new connection and connect with Google accounts. This way, by providing the access of your Google Analytics, you can actually connect your Google account with Pabbly Connect. But I have connected my account recently, that is why I am going to use the select existing connection. Alright, let me save it, and now it is asking me few details: property ID, start date, end date. So what is this property ID? Read the instructions. A Google Analytics GA4 property identifier whose events are tracked, specified in the URL path and not the body. To learn more, see where you can find your property ID. So firstly, you will have to go to your Google Analytics account and choose the website whose traffic you want to actually receive on your WhatsApp. Well, I am going to click on this PC testing because I am going to do it with for the testing purpose only, okay. So I have selected this, then PC testing, and finally I have opened it. Now when you will click on this admin section, let me show you. Now when you will click on this admin section, you will find an option of property settings. You will have to click on this property settings and you can find your property ID here. From here, I am going to copy it and paste it. Well, I have already created this property ID, basically the property in Google Analytics. That's why I have simply copied it. But if you have not created the property, you can actually do it using this button. Simply click on this button. Okay, give any random name to your property. Let's say I am giving the name as report 1. Further, you can actually do the settings which it is asking. Click on next, and it is asking for the industry. Choose any random category, let's say arts and entertainment. Business size, let's say 11 to 100, and it is asking how do you intend to use this Google Analytics with your business. So let's say I want to measure the customer engagement, optimize my site or experience. You can actually choose the settings as per your choice and click on create. All right, once you will click on create, you will be redirected here. You can actually choose the platform, read the instructions to set up the data collection for your website or app. Choose from where you will be collecting the data. So basically we are going to collect the data from a choose platform, basically from the web. Now add your website name, basically the domain. So let's say my domain is inkthemes.com and the name of the website is inkthemes. That's why I have added these particular settings. Click on create stream, and once you will click on create stream, you will get a code. All right, let me show you. You will get a code. You will have to click on this button. You will receive this particular code. All you have to do is to copy this code and paste it to the every page of your website. The instruction for the same, that how you can do it, is actually given here. Once you will do it, you will be getting the data. You will start getting the data in next 48 hours or maybe next 24 hours. Let me check it. Okay, it is telling us no data received in past 48 hours because we have not added our code into the website. Once you will add that code, the data will be start appearing here in next 24 hours or maybe in 48 hours. Well, for now I am going to close it, and you know that I have already copied my property ID. Alright, this is the property settings and here is my property ID. I have already copied and pasted to Pabbly Connect. Now moving further, it is asking the start date. So instructions are given here that enter the inclusive start date for the query in the format, this particular format. So basically it is asking you that from which particular date and up to which particular date you want to exactly receive the report. You want to exactly run the report. I want to receive the report maybe from the last month. So let me copy this particular format first and change it accordingly. So I am going to write it here 01. I want from 1st of July the data, and I want the data up to well, today is 6th of August. So let me write the same. I have added it. Moving further, it is asking metric name. The very interesting part of the video, what are the metrics you want to actually receive on your WhatsApp? So the API name of each metric is given. I just have to copy the API name of the metric which I want to receive. So assume that I want the active users data. So I am going to copy this particular API name and paste it here simply, and going to place a comma, and again going to this particular document. I want to receive the sessions data. Maybe let me find out where are the sessions. Well, I also want the bounce rate. Let me first copy it and paste it here in the Pabbly Connect. Now I was finding these sessions. All right, let me continue to press enter and I'll find the data. Okay, here it is. So this is how you'll have to copy the sessions, paste it here, and let's say I want the average session duration also. So that is why I'm going to search for the same. Where are average session duration? Yes, it is here, average session duration. Again, copy this metric, same, and paste it here. In this way you can find the metrics, whatever metrics you want to receive on your WhatsApp. I have added total 1 2 3 4 metrics in total. Now I want one more metric, which is total users. So let me find for the same total users maybe. No, this is not the total users API name. Okay, here it is. With the help of this, I can actually get the number of distinct users who have logged at least one event, regardless of whether the site or app was in use and when that event was logged. So in total, I have total 5 metrics. I want to receive these. You can choose as per your choice. Now it is asking for the metric expression, a mathematical expression for the derived metrics. For example, the metric event count per user. I don't want any metric to be changed and to be divided with any number. I don't want to perform any mathematical expression. That is why I am leaving it blank. Now it is asking the filter by matrix. Basically, enter dimension or metric name for filtering. Must be a name defined as in dimension or metrics, example active user. So among all these metrics, on the basis of which particular, on the respective of which particular metric you want to receive the traffic. So I'm going to, let's say, add this particular metric in the filter by metric. Okay, I have added it. Now again, moving further, it is asking metric operator greater than and metric of comparison value. So in case you want to compare any particular value, let's say it should be greater than 15, you can actually add it. Okay, for now I am just keeping the value as, let's say, 1. Okay, so that my condition should be true. Now I am going to click on save and send test request, and you will see I will receive the data. And the response is received. Let me show you the data. I have received the bounce rate. Yes, the sessions are here. The average session duration are here. Total users are here. Everything is here. Now I just have to send these metrics to my WhatsApp numbers. So again, moving further and going to click on this plus button. And for WhatsApp, I am going to use the service as WhatsApp Cloud API, which is the official API of WhatsApp launched by Facebook recently. Okay, now in action event, going to choose the send template message and click on connect, and it will ask you the details. Click on add new connection. It is asking 3 details from where you will get it. You will have to type developers.facebook.com in your browser and press enter, and you will reach to the landing page of WhatsApp Cloud API. Alright, now from here you will have to again create your account. I already have an account and I have already logged in also. That is why I'm going to click on this my app section. Alright, and once you will reach to the dashboard of WhatsApp Cloud API, 2 most important things you will have to do. First, you will have to create an app, and secondly, you will have to generate a permanent token. All right, once you will do these 2 settings, your setup of WhatsApp Cloud API is actually done. How you can do it? You can actually refer the video which I have added in the description box. I have created this app already, so that is why I am going to click on my app, which is my Connect message app. I have given this particular name. Now from the left hand side, you will find an option of WhatsApp and getting started. Click on that, and from here you will find the 3 options which are actually required for the connections: token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. You can find the token from here, temporary access token. Again, it is just a temporary access token which is going to expire in 23 hours. As I have just told you, you will have to generate a permanent token, because you are going to actually receive or send the messages to your customers in real. I am doing it just for the video purpose. That is why I have used the temporary one. All right, I have find all the 3 details. All right, WhatsApp business account ID, last thing, paste it here and click on save. The WhatsApp Cloud API account is connected. Now it is asking for the template name. So basically, WhatsApp asks you to first create a message template and get it approved via Facebook. Then only you can actually send the WhatsApp messages, and you can see I have created several message template already. Basically the templates, let me show you. Under the steps 2, you will find this option. Click here. You'll have to click on that, and you will reach to the place of message templates. You can see several message templates which I have created and get them approved via Facebook. All right, how you can create your template? You can actually click on this button, and again you can also check the video which I have added in the description box of the same. All right, now let me show you the template which I have created for my video. Okay, basically the message. This is the name of my template. I have given Google Analytics report, and this is the header, this is the language I have chosen. Okay, I have not selected any header with my message template, and this is the body text. So basically whatever message I have created, you can actually preview it from the right hand side. Hello sir, here's the Google Analytics report of today. Total users are this, active users, average session duration and bounce rate. Okay, and you can see in the body text I have kept a few things in the form of variable, in the form of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So basically whatever the values I want to keep on changing, because these users, active users, these values are going to change every day. So that is why I have kept them intentionally in the form of variable. Okay, we are going to actually map the values in place of these numbers. Don't worry, I have not added any footer, any button. Also, I would like to tell you, when you will create this message template, before you submit it for the approval, make sure you also provide the samples. What are samples? Just provide the random value, the sample values in the place of these variables. This will help you in getting your template approved very quickly. Alright, sometimes people complain about this, that their template is actually not approved because they are actually missing this particular setting. They are missing out to add the samples in the template. Alright, for now I am going to Pabbly Connect again, and let me select the template. Okay, my Google Analytics template, which I have created for sending, basically for receiving the Google Analytics reports on my WhatsApp. I have selected it, keep this particular thing as it is, select template ID as it is. Now it is asking recipient mobile number, so add the number of the person to whom you would like to send, or maybe if you want to receive on your own number, you can actually add it, but make sure you also provide a country code with your number without plus sign in this particular format. Alright, that is why I'm going to add 91, and don't worry, here I will add my number. Alright, now moving further, body field 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So basically it is asking you that what should be come in place of variable number 1, in place of variable number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Coming back to Pabbly Connect, in place of number 1, body field 1, see what is written, enter text or map data. So I am entering the text manually. So actually I am sending this report to my boss. That is why I have used this sir. In body field 2, basically it is asking you to, here is the Google Analytics report of today. Okay, so I can actually write it today. In body field 2, let me check, it is asking, here is the Google Analytics report of today. So basically I'm going to write the today only. Again I'm entering the text but not mapping from anywhere. Asking for body field 3, what is that? It is basically the total users. Now this particular value I'm not going to enter as a text, but rather I would like to map it from the Google Analytics data. So basically the data which we have received via Google Analytics, we are going to map this particular data here in the drop down, basically from the drop down. Okay, let me show you. When you will click on this field, you will find the above data in the drop down only. You just have to open it and click on the values. So it is actually the body field. The 3 number variable is the total users. Let me map the total users. Find it first. Here are the total users. Now body field 4 is active users. All right, map it, active users. Here it is. Next thing is the average session duration and bounce rate. Okay, so let me map these two values also. Active session duration, alright, average session duration, I'm sorry for that. And last thing is the bounce rate. Let me map the bounce rate also. Here is the bounce rate. I have mapped all the values here. Now I just have to click on this button and you will see I will receive the message with all such details. Let me first fill the number also. So I have added my number and even opened the WhatsApp web so that I can show you the message. Let me click on this button, save and send test request. And you can see the response is received, waiting for the response. Yes, the response is received. The notification is received here also. Let me open it. And it is saying, hello sir, here is the Google Analytics report of today. Total users this, active users this, average session duration, bounce rate, and thank you. So you can see this is how you can actually receive the daily notifications. In case you do not want to receive these notifications daily, you can actually set it as per your choice with the help of scheduler. And let me show you one important thing. Here you can see the values here are actually in this particular format. So if you want the values after the decimal up to 2 only, in that case you can actually trim these extra values. How you can do it? With the help of text formatter in Pabbly Connect. Alright, you just have to click on this plus button before the WhatsApp Cloud API step. Okay, and once you will click here, you can actually select for text formatter. Let me show you. Here you can find the text formatter, and here you will find an option of split text, and with the help of this split text you can actually split these values. For now I don't want to actually split these values. Alright, that is why I am just deleting it. I was telling you just for your reference, in case you want to trim those values you can do it. Now what exactly we have done, let me show you. First, we have applied a scheduler by Pabbly, with the help of which we have scheduled this workflow, this automation for every day. Secondly, we have actually run a report, okay, with the help of Google Analytics action step. We have fetch out the report, and finally in the last step, with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, we send the report on the WhatsApp. Okay, this is how you can actually create this automation for yourself or for anyone. Also, I am going to attach this particular link, okay, the link of this particular automation, so that you can directly clone the same setup in your account, and by simply making the connections, by simply connecting your applications, you can create this automation easily. I'll add it in the description box. Alright, and once you create this setup in Pabbly Connect, you do not have to do any particular setting again and again. This is going to work in the backend. You can simply close it. Alright, in case you want to receive the same notification, same report on Slack or on some other different application or in Google Sheets, you can check for those videos as well on our Pabbly channel. Alright, not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.